Welcome to the simplified coal power plant simulator. This video will demonstrate a turbine trip from full load and subsequent recovery. Turbine has tripped. Boiler pulverizer B has tripped. Boiler pulverizer A has reduced to 50%. Turbine bypass has opened to dump boiler steam to condenser. Firstly, make sure generator CB has opened and turbine speed is reducing. Bypass operation causes condenser pressure and condenser cooling water outlet temperature to be high. We must reduce the boiler firing rate further to ensure these values are reduced. Start plant fuel oil supply system. Start fuel oil burner. Reduce pulverizer or coal flow controller to 10 tons per hour. Condenser pressure should reduce. Condenser cooling water outlet temperature should also reduce. As our intention is to resynchronize the generator to the grid as soon as possible. Adjust furnace burner tilt angle to ensure superheater outlet temperature meets the requirements of a hot start-up. Check turbine oil systems are functioning correctly, and that turbine turning gear has engaged. Check plant first out trip screen and alarm screen to find cause of turbine trip. What do you think is the cause of the turbine trip? If you guessed that a high vibration of the generator NDE bearing, you are correct. Check all other plant parameters to ensure no surprises. After investigation by the maintenance staff, it has been determined that this high vibration level was caused by a loose wire and has now been corrected. You are safe to go ahead and resynchronize the generator to the grid. Increase pulverizer coal flow controller to 18 tons per hour. The extra heat of this coal is required to increase superheater outlet temperature meets the requirements of a hot start-up. When the following turbine steam inlet condition are met, the turbine can be started. Main steam temperature 460 degrees C plus or minus 20 degrees C. Main steam pressure 90 bar, plus or minus 10 bars. Main steam flow rate greater than 15 kg per second. Reset turbine trip. As the turbine rotor speed increases, the following will occur in succession. Turbine turning gear will disengage as turbine rotor speed increases above 34 revolutions per minute. Turbine turning gear motor will stop when rotor speed is greater than 990 rpm. Turbine jacking oil pump will stop when rotor speed is greater than 1080 rpm. Turbine rotor will travel through its critical speed around 2600 rpm. Pay close attention to rotor vibrations during this time. Generator excitation will auto on at a turbine speed greater than 2,940 rpm. Turbine rotor will reach and stabilize at 3,000 rpm. Generator will auto-synchronize to the grid. Once generator synchronizing circuit breaker has closed, turbine control valve will open sufficiently to load turbine to minimum continuous load of approximately 15 MW. Select turbine megawatt controller to auto. Turbine bypass valve will drive close, which will cause turbine control valve to open slightly and turbine megawatts to increase. Once turbine bypass valve is fully closed, steam turbine will be in turbine follow mode. Go ahead and restart pulverizer B and increase turbine to full load again. If you have successfully reached full load, then congratulations. Thank you for trying the simplified coal power plant simulator.